How to log out of Spotify on all devices. Welcome back to a quick tutorial video on how Genic. If you're trying to log out of all of the devices that your account is currently connected to, in today's video, let me show you the process. Now, if you search within the app of Spotify, you'll find that there's no option of logging out of all of the devices at once. So to do that, you'll need to head over to a web browser and then do it from the web app. Open up a web browser and search for spotify.com. Once you're inside of the website of Spotify, make sure that you log into your account first of all. Once you've been logged in, tap on the gear icon on the top right and then tap on view account. You'll also see the option of logout right here. Instead of this, you can tap on view account. Inside of the account section of Spotify on the web version, you can scroll down to the bottom of this page. Under security and privacy, here you'll see the option called sign out everywhere. So you can just tap on this option and you'll be immediately logged out of every device that you are currently logged in. You'll also be logged out of this current version that you're using on a web browser along with the app of Spotify on your phone. So just tap on this option and you'll be good to go. So that was the easy process on the way that you log out of Spotify on all devices. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.